Welcome to the project demonstration of GSM based circuit breaker with maintenance and management. In this project we are using TRIAC and LCD display, GSM module, PIC microcontroller, rectifier, step down transformer and bulb holder and current sensor. And here we can see the 12 volts 1 amp adapter. Here we can see it takes 230 volts of AC power supply and it will give you output of 12 volt 1 amp. That 12 volt 1 amp will be given to this GSM module. So first of all we need to insert SIM like this. Based on the notch we have to place the SIM. After that we have to provide a power supply. So here we can see if this green light blinks more, which means it is not connected to the network. If this green light blinks slowly, which means the SIM is connected to the network. Now it is blinking slowly, it is connected to the network. After that we have to give power supply for this system through this power cable. It takes 230 volts of AC power supply and it will be given to this rectifier. So rectifier takes 230 volts of input and it will be rectifier and it will give output of 5 volts DC. That 5 volts DC will be given to this PIC microcontroller. Through PIC microcontroller we can give the power supply to this LCD display and TRIAC. So let's see that. So here we can see it's showing welcome to the project. So the status of load is normal. So this is 0 watt bulb, that's why it is showing a normal load. If I replace with the 100 watt bulb, then it will be show a heavy load. So here we can see bulb is off, sending a heavy load message. So message will be sent registered phone number. So here we can see this giving a message like alert heavy load, please check. In this way if there is any heavy load, then it will be send a message, then cut automatically, cut the power automatically through this TRIAC. So we can on this holder power supply through this TRIAC when it is normal load, and also we will off the TRIAC when it is a heavy load through this PIC microcontroller. We want to on this one again, so we need to reset this one again. So now we have to reset again. So here it is showing heavy load, then automatically it is cut off. And also here we can see a current transformer which reads the transformer which is connected in a series between power supply and the bulb. So we can read the power supply current through this current sensor. So it will be converted into AC to DC, then only we will easily calculate the values. So the converted DC will be given to this PIC microcontroller. Based on the values, load will be high and low. In this way this project will be works. Thanks for the watching.